रास्ता मंजिल का दिखाने वाला एक ये खूबसूरत सफर था। कोई और नाम मत देना इसे, ये मेरा दूसरा घर था। Greetings to everyone present here. Myself, SPARSH. As I stand before you on this momentous day, one of the last days of our 10th journey, I'm filled with an overwhelming gratitude and a profound sense of nostalgia. First and foremost, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to our dedicated and inspiring Principal Sir, Administrator Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Head Mistress Ma'am, coordinators, teachers, staff and sub-staff for just everything. Your unwavering commitment to our health has left an indelible mark on our hearts. And my dear students, where will I begin? Flashback to 2018, when I joined this renowned institution of DSE. Well, I'm a person who wants to do just everything, whether it is public speaking, singing, dancing, comparing, drama, sports. All these things have helped me develop myself and help me improve myself. And I'm totally satisfied that I have not missed a single thing out of my list. On this stage for the first time, I have given a declamation competition. Moving on to have the privilege of hosting the 75th Independence Day of our school. Anchoring for annual day, debate competitions, nukkad natak, and dreaming of being the deputy head girl, and finally, the head girl of DSE Attapur. This journey, achievements and memories collected would have not been possible without your support and encouragement, which is worth more than anything for me. Well, in our school life, we had seen the online classes too. At that time, we had thought kind of this way. था टीचर का blackboard, कभी ज्ञान का खजाना. था टीचर का blackboard, कभी ज्ञान का खजाना. हुआ वो किस्सा पुराना, तब था मोबाइल का जमाना. तब मोबाइल में टीचर और टीचर के पास मोबाइल. देखते देखते सभी स्टूडेंट्स करने लगे स्मार्ट. Those online days were nothing less than the offline days. In our school life, we have seen amazing picnics, wonderful trips, Children's Day, Teachers' Day, Independence Day, and it was such a celebration. Well, to our end, अब अपने मित्रों के बारे में क्या करूँ? शर्त लगी कि खुशी को एक शब्द में लिखकर बताओ. शर्त लगी कि खुशी को एक शब्द में लिखकर बताओ. लोग किताब ढूंढते रह गए. हमने दोस्त लिखे. As me, being an alien from Mars, this school life was a great journey for me on this planet. And to our teachers, Pratik Gandhi, Chala